You've just learned the RCTCF framework and 0, 1, and few-shot prompting. Good theory needs a gut check against real use, so here are the 4 habits that actually separate a so-so AI user from someone who gets great results every time. Habit 1. Be specific, not just polite. Watch what happens with a vague prompt. Write an email about the meeting. Generic, forgettable. This is exactly what we want to avoid. Now the same request, but with real detail: audience, goal, tone, length, and the deadline we agreed on. Same AI, wildly better draft. The difference wasn't a magic phrase, it was detail. Habit 2. Iterate. Almost nobody gets the perfect draft on the first try. And that's fine. The first draft is a starting point. Here I'm just asking, make this 20% shorter and end with one clear question. One follow-up, meaningfully better. Don't discard a draft that's close, push it. Habit 3. Break big tasks into steps. If I ask for a whole birthday party plan in one shot, I get something generic I have to rewrite anyway. Instead, watch I ask for just theme and decoration ideas first. I pick the one I like. Then I ask for a shopping list based on that theme. Smaller asks, clearer results, way less rewriting at the end. And habit 4, which isn't about quality, it's about safety. Never paste anything you wouldn't want in a public database. Passwords, ID numbers, confidential work documents, anyone else's private information. If you need to reference something sensitive, describe it in placeholders instead. Like client name or amount, the way I did in these examples. Be specific, iterate, break it into steps, and keep secrets out of the chat. Do those 4 things, and you're already ahead of most people using AI. Next, let's put this into practice with real tools.